We're about to get our fencing put up. We're just gonna put it down. We're gonna unroll it and then raise it up and attach it to the posts around the garden. So we got to get all the plastic off of it and get it unwrapped, and looks like there's a wire coil going around it. And then we'll get it up, and hopefully we bought enough. So we've got it unrolled all the way down to here, and the kitty has decided to play underneath it. She's gonna have to move. We're just gonna stand it up and start attaching it to the posts. And folks, here are some perks of digging up a little bit of ground. We're finding worms that we can use for fishing later, since we love to go fishing. So it's coming along, not quite done. We still got that end down there that we need to get pinned up, but we put some temporary holds on the tops along the fence, and we're gonna go back and tighten it up and make it nicer, and try to do something about the bottom as well. But for now, we're just getting it unrolled and standing up and on the posts.